welcome to today's video. If you're new here, like and subscribe, and comment down below which toy you like. So, and my shoutouts, real quick. So, first one is a part of my brother's basketball team. Drum roll, please. Mackenzie. My second one is a part of my family. I'm not giving you a hint. Drum roll, please. Grandma and Grandpa. So, bring out the toys. Yeah. So first, it gives you a huge warning. Do not put these in girls' hair and your own hair if you're a girl. And so let's pour them out so I can show you what they all can do. And I'll show you the details of the hooks and then everything that I want you guys to know about them. Okay, I think that's as much as I can pour out because it's nighttime. So let's get on. So if you don't really notice the little balls, let's show you up close. Please, can you do a close up so they can see camera person? Okay. Do you see these little candy cane hooks? Those are called hooks. That's what makes them connect together. And you see those little holes that are in there? That what makes them be able to put stuff in it. Let me give you an example. It's kind of like this. But you can take it off, like that. And then there's a sword, and you can see it's orange. And there's hats, they come around the sword. And the big ones, you can see the, hooks very easily. And they could get stuck on very easily, because it's hard to get this mouth off. There, got it. And look how that looks so real. This hat looks real. This green ball looks real. And they kind of are bouncy. And all of this detail. So now let's get on to the fun part about these. So you can build something that you can build. I'm gonna give you an example. You can build a stick man, which is very easy. You just get these legs and put as many as you want on, and then you get a big one for the head, and then you get some eyes, which I don't really have any eyes, because I don't know if I like any of these eyes. Yeah, that's the eyes I use for my stick man. So I'm building, see these eyes? These are what I put on my stickman. And boom, I'm almost done with my stickman. It's called the Notorious Stickman. These are the last parts to the arms. I know if you live in Hawaii and you're watching, and if you wanted to have Christmas and you don't even know what Christmas is, they're Christmas colors. So, if you're new here, sorry for doing my intro. And so let's flip this back around. I'm doing it the wrong way. And now let's put his sword in. Bye guys! See you tomorrow. Goodbye.